Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another ClickBook video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And this one here, Georgia Giraffe is with us, and he's going to help us get into this one, which should hopefully be issue number 238 of the ImagineFX magazine for May 2024. And so far we've had these ones this year. I think it's been a really good year so far. If you can hear that sound, it's me cat's like in the mating season or something. So she's going a bit bonkers. But love that. And that was the last one. But my favourite one so far is this one. But what it said in the last issue was this one's going to be a manga themed issue. So I hope it is a Manga Special. I'll put that one there because it's my favourite. George is going to get us in. And one of my favourite things about these ImagineFX magazines is the cover. I get really excited by looking at the covers. So it's going to be a blue one. Oh look, is it a wraparound cover? Is this a wraparound cover or something? Look. Oh yeah. Eye-catching manga. I love that. I'm not sure about... This is a bit like this one here, look. The one in January I thought was really cool, but I wasn't like keen on the background colour. It's the same here. Because that background colour is sort of it's sort of blending in with her hair. But I love that. That's going to be one of my top. That's going to be like the top half this year, I think. I still feel like that's my favourite one. Look, can you see that little bit of stuff like that? Really bothers me when I watch the video. When you got a little. It's gone now. So let's get into this one. So this one here is the covers by the artist Julio Cesar. That's quite cool, isn't it? Got a yellow spine. What I love about this one the most is her eyes. I like the way they've done the eyelashes as part of the actual eye shape. That's cool, that is. Eye-catching manga. Is it going to be a Manga Special? Here he is. Little editor Rob. You know, when you're reading a magazine, do you like push the cover down, or do you like leave it a bit? Even if you push it a little bit, it still creates that spine thing. Oh, there's one manga, two manga, three sort of anime, four sort of sketchbook. Yeah. Hey, that looks nice as well. There's a smell about this one as well. I heard that the next issue is going to be Concept Art Masterclass with a dragon. I heard on the, because I work in the co-op, they got a thing called Co-op Radio, and they were actually, I love that cover, issue number 149. But they were actually talking about they've released these smell-o-vision TVs. So while you're watching, you can get the smells. Would you like that? Because then you can smell what this issue smells like. This is the FX Pose section. Look at those brush strokes there, look. Oh, that's cool, look. I like that bit. That's beautiful, that is. Buildings. They don't get me excited, buildings. Oh yeah. I love these, I love the style of these. Matthew Lynn. That is cool, isn't it? Look at the shapes of her. She's cool as well. Wonder Woman. That is I love that one. This is one where you'd like to go and see more of their artwork. Oh, another nice one, look. Anna Davis Court. Yeah, look at that, look, for fun shapes. Oh yeah, little mouse, look. That's nice. Look, little cat. Again, look at the brush strokes, the way they've created the grass. It almost feels like a windy day there. That's nice, that is. How do you say that, look? Gediminus Skyrius. Big fat hands. Rookies! Dragons. Find your tribe at Vertex. That's cool. Reminds me of the Raven Rabbits. Is that I'm not sure. That's nice. Meow! Meow! That goes on all through the night, that does at the moment. Because I've just found out that there's a thing where these cats, the female cats, they have these mating seasons or something. So they do that for like all through the night and stuff. Yeah, it's quite fun. Yay! Look, the art studio of Wayne Barlowe. Mr. Barlowe. Ian Barlowe. Is that books or DVDs? I think it's... I'm not sure actually. I think it's DVDs. Look, they got what's that there, I wonder? The Titanfall ogre, cool. That's on the video game Titanfall. Got a thing up here, look. A moose. It's quite strange, isn't it, having a moose? Hey look, here he is. God, look at all those books. That's cool, isn't it? I love that. I love it when you see loads of books. Hello. Yeah. It's cool. Mr. Barlowe. God, look at that, look. Loads of little figures. It's very strange having red walls. I don't know if I would ever have red walls. I like white walls. The letters. The Art of Airi Pan. Ears, look. I wonder if these are from like a storyboard, or if they're stills from an anime or something. Interesting. I like that. Look at that, look. You almost like imagine these are like gods or something, and like they're sort of playing around with the universe. There's the universe, and they're sort of playing around. It'd be quite funny if that was happening, wouldn't it? We're inside of this universe, and there's things like throwing the universe around in the water. It'd be quite mad, that would. Some of these are really nice, these are. I like the way, I like that, it feels quite dainty. Yay! ChrissaBug. Right, there they are. Hello. I love these. These are ones I'd like to copy. Like sketch in my sketchbook. Oh, look. Cool. Cats, candles and tea. These are beautiful. I love these. Yeah. All those sketchy lines, look. Yeah, really nice that is. She's an ex-game artist and now full-time independent illustrator with a love for magic and nature. God, the smell of this issue, it's really... I like it. Hey look, 3 different designs for the cover. Oh, that would have been a good one. Look, the first one. That would have been quite interesting, that. I like the shapes of that one. Oh, I love that, I do love that. Ah, see? See that, look? These little shapes actually... See, because those shapes are missing from the cover, there's too much, like... That colour's too overpowering for my liking. Whereas when you've got these shapes in it, it sort of somehow... It just balances it better. Wonder why they didn't put... they probably didn't put those shapes in, because it would have conflicted with the text or something on the regular cover. Yeah, look. On the regular cover they had to put the text down there. So I bet that's why they... Yeah. I just feel like it looks a lot better with those shapes in it. That's cool, that is. Julio Cesar. Hey, look, different colours. I like that one. That's nice as well. No, I really like the colour they went with. They're using... What are they using there? Is that Clip Studio, Paint, Procreate and Photoshop. Using a bit of everything. Cool, look. Limit your colours. That's nice, that is. Learn to mix your colours. Parts 1 to 3, look. In the previous. Charlie Pickard. That's cool, isn't it? It's sort of got a bit haunting though. You know? Almost as if there's a soul inside of that picture. It's a bit weird. Yeah, there's a sort of a sadness about it. Colours. Cool. Create striking manga style art. Pointy noses, we like those. Look how beautiful that is, look, the line art. Absolutely love it. Let the artist Lim Wee Lin. Colour palette's a bit weird though, isn't it? It's obviously because it's all to do with the light coming through the window. Use lighting references with Billy. Not my sort of... I don't get excited by that sort of scene. That's nice colours though. This is nice. Design concepts for anime scenes. Little I wonder if that, no it's not. I thought that might have been their actual, look at that, look. Little scribblies. Is that a parrot? There's a parrot there. Create strength through scale. Are they dinosaurs or? Look, that's cool. I like that. Hey, look, there's two girls there. Look, that's quite interesting. That. I like that. Traditional. Got older, innit? Charles Lister. Lister from Red Dwarf. Dwayne Diblett! Do you remember Dwayne Diblett? Oh, little animals, look. Look, they've each got a little animal with them. I like that. Texture to watercolour. Look, they're pretending to be painting there. I like it when they do that. Look, she's actually acting out but she's becoming the character. Becoming the creature. I like that. So there's a bit of her inside of that now. And we end with a bloke smoking a pipe. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Did you enjoy it? I wonder what the back... Yeah, I thought so. I really like that. I like that as well. I love the cover on that one. Yeah, that's still my favourite though. As an issue, I thought it was quite good, but it's not my favourite one of the year. But there's a couple of nice things in here. Little pointy note, I love that one. I feel like the sketchbook is one of my favourites of this year so far. I love that artist. So I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 238 of the ImagineFX magazine for May 2024.